Hey everybody, this is going to be a quick video just explaining what exactly I've been working on for the past couple of weeks. I've made 2 videos in the past giving a quick little tour or demo of what this is, but I've never actually explained it myself. So basically it's a podcast listening program where you paste in the RSS feed URL for whatever podcast you want to listen to, and it will show up here. As far as I know, a majority of podcasts do have an RSS feed. I'm sure there are a couple outliers that do not have an RSS feed, but for the most part, most podcasts do have RSS feeds. So that gives you virtually any or access to almost all podcasts available. So you paste in the RSS feed URL, and then it shows up here, and then from there you get a list of all the episodes. You get a play button to play it, the title, which can scroll if you click on it for longer titles, and we have the duration of the episode, and then this will be options, which does nothing right now. There is a database that I'm saving all the podcasts that people add. So when the user first opens up the podcast player, they download this entire database, and from there they can search for a podcast that's on this database. So let's see something we don't have here. We do not have Serial, so I will add Serial and then press Control Enter, and it shows up. And because it was on the database, we can get all the episodes, because all we need in the database is the author, description, the title, and then the URL to get everything that's needed. Hey everybody, quick note, I do want to make clear that I do not store all the episodes inside of the actual database. I know I showed a picture of me opening one of the episodes, but I want to make this clear that I do not store all the episodes inside of the database. I do this to save space, so instead I just store the URL, which can be used to then get each episode. All right. So, like I said before, when the user first opens up the app, the database is downloaded, and then let's say I add my own podcast. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna add something that's not on this list already. So I'm gonna I usually go to Podbay. That's a good website. It has a good number of podcasts. Let's see. I don't think, do we have This American Life on there? We do. That's not gonna work. So I'll just pick something random, I guess. Lore. I don't think we have lore. We do not. Okay, cool. So lore, open RSS feed, click this, and then I just copy this link, head back here, grab this. Okay, so click this, paste this in there, and it shows up lore, and we have all the episodes. It does not show up on the global database yet. Once the user closes this app, all the changes that they've added, for example, just lore, would be added to the database. So now, whenever someone wants to listen to lore, they don't have to find the RSS feed link anymore. All they have to do is just search for it on here. So I guess I'll give one more example of grabbing a podcast from the database. So let's see. I do not have the 30 for 30. So 30, and you have to spell it exactly how it is in the database, which is, that's exactly how it is for the actual show, so that isn't too restricting. So 30 for 30, it shows up. We have all the episodes, which isn't much, but we do have all the episodes. You can remove podcasts. Yeah. Now, once I close the app, the database should update and have lore. So let's move to the L section. It'd be right here. So we're gonna close this, and then lore shows up. The author, description, title, and the URL. So that's basically the program that I've been working on. I've made quite a bit of progress on it so far. I'm not sure how serious I'm about this, but I've been thinking about making a Kickstarter campaign for it. Not to, I guess, my primary goal is not to make money, but I guess for exposure, and I don't know. I think this is a pretty useful program that a lot of people could use, and it's hard to spread the word. Just like posting it to subreddits or making YouTube videos. So I think a Kickstarter campaign help a bunch. Yep, so thanks for watching. If you want to use the program, or if you want to help make it, or just look at the code. The code is online. It's open source on GitHub. It'll be in the description. But if you want to use the program, you can download the releases from the GitHub page. I'll also put that in the description. It is available for Linux, Mac, and Windows. I'm making it on Linux, as you can tell, maybe. But since it's being built in Electron, I can easily export to Linux, Mac, and Windows. So that's useful. Alright, so if you like this, it'd be nice to leave a like and maybe subscribe. It'd be nice if you guys could share the video too, because as you know, I'm going for exposure right now, and that'd be nice. Alright, so thanks, and see you next time, hopefully.